guys, it's Liam from Environmental Plumbing today, out here in Metcalfe. We just installed a water lead system. He just wanted a system to get all his rainwater out into the trench here. We're doing some landscaping here and building a new walkway. So he wanted to get the long eaves troughs off the ground, more of a clean aspect, and also just have the rainwater drain further away from his house. We were working out here in the sun, he got it done.
After unloading the drain pipe and investigating the property, the team gets started on digging up the trench. The sun is out, and it's a scorcher. But that's not stopping the team in Environmental Plumbing. The sun isn't the only hurdle Mother Earth has in store. A large boulder and a plethora of cedar roots are in the way of the trench dig. Our team had to break up some rocks in order to remove them and cut through some roots in order to lay down the trench pipe. Don't worry about all those roots. Those belong to a very resilient cedar bush. We may have had to tear up some roots to get this trench dug up, but rest assured, the cedar bush is just fine. Once the team has the trench dug out from the eavesdrop drain pipe, they measure and cut the drain pipe for the trench. Once it's cut, they line it up with the first drain pipe by the back of the house and start gluing the pipes together in the trench. You're probably wondering, why have a gutter drainage system connect to an underground drain pipe system? When rainwater runs into gutters and expels itself on the ground, it drains the water directly to the homeowner's foundation. Over time, this rainwater will slowly seep into the foundation of the home, causing water damage to the infrastructure and costing you big to repair. Keeping water away from your foundation is a crucial component to keeping your home protected from water damage and can increase the longevity of your home. Once the team gets to the front yard of the house, they start connecting the gutters at the front of the house to the main drain line in the trench, and get the pipes glued up with the Y connections all the way down to the drain trench at the front. The team ensures the drain pipe has no counterslopes to it. This keeps the water and debris moving down the slope to the drainage trench away from the house. Once everything is glued, leveled, and ready for backfill, we run one last test to ensure the slope is up to code. Once everything's been tested, we backfill the trench. We gather any debris that can be removed from the property and make sure the homeowner is happy with the results. If you need a drain line installed to protect your home's foundation or are looking for eco-friendly plumbing solutions, call Environmental Plumbing at 613-762-1969 or book online at environmentalplumbing.ca.